In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change Google Chrome Sizes tabs guide. To get started, open Google Chrome and go to the top of the browser window where your tabs are displayed. This is the area you will be working with. If you already have a tab open, move your cursor over the tab that you want to adjust and right-click on it. This will open a small menu with several tab management options. From that menu, click Add Tab to New Group. When you do this, Chrome will create a tab group for that tab. This is the option shown in the process, and it is useful because grouping tabs can help you organize how tabs appear and behave in your browser. It can also make your workspace feel cleaner and easier to manage, especially if you often keep many tabs open at the same time. After selecting the option, you may see Chrome create a colored label for the new group. In many cases, tab groups can be collapsed or expanded, which changes how much space they take up on the tab bar. This can help make the tabs feel more compact and easier to control visually. Take your time while doing this and make sure you are clicking directly on the tab itself, not the empty space beside the tabs. If you right-click in the wrong area, you may get a different menu. If you have several tabs open, you can repeat the same action on other tabs as needed. Creating tab groups can make it easier to separate different tasks, projects, or browsing sessions. It is a small change, but it can have a big impact on how organized Chrome looks and feels during everyday use. Once you have added the tab to a new group, you have completed the action shown in this guide. That covers everything you need to know.